Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what I believe is the best long inseam 11-inch basketball shorts available on the market. The men's long athletic shorts with pockets by urbciety. Whether you're hitting the gym, the court, or just lounging around, these shorts bring the ideal blend of comfort, utility, and style. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the design. These shorts are made for those who appreciate longer coverage, coming in with an inseam ranging from 9 to 13 inches. That over-the-knee length isn't just about looks. It gives you the kind of unrestricted motion you want during sports or workouts, while also providing enough coverage for casual streetwear vibes. The waistband is elastic with an internal drawstring, which means you're getting a snug fit that doesn't dig into your skin. It's easy to adjust and holds firmly, so no constant tugging mid-run or mid-game. It feels secure, but not tight, a great balance that makes a difference during intense movement. Now, the fabric. It's 100% polyester hive mesh, and that's where the comfort and functionality step up. The mesh is ultra lightweight, but what really sets it apart is the breathability. It allows air to circulate freely, keeping you cool even during high-impact sessions. And it's quick drying, which means you won't stay soaked after sweating it out or rinsing off. That's a huge plus if you're someone who trains daily or plays multiple rounds of ball. What's more, these shorts don't compromise on privacy or quality. The mesh remains opaque, so you won't be revealing more than you intend. That's not always a given with lighter sportswear fabrics. And it's a thoughtful detail that shows the brand put in the work to get this right. Moving on to the pockets. Yes, they matter. And here, they're generously deep and built to be actually functional. Each side pocket is designed to comfortably hold a 6.2-inch phone, along with your keys or wallet. You won't feel the need for an extra bag when heading out for a casual session, and you won't worry about things falling out mid-jog. This pair really shines when it comes to versatility. These aren't just basketball shorts, they're all-purpose athletic gear. Whether you're into football, tennis, badminton, or boxing, they're built to support your range of motion. They're just as great for hiking or cycling as they are for training at the gym. They still double as the perfect loungewear, soft, loose, breathable, and relaxed. As for the look, this particular color is royal black, which strikes a bold, clean tone that works with almost anything. And with sizing available from small all the way up to 4 extra large, the inclusivity in fit ensures almost anyone can find their ideal size. Plus, they're machine washable, so upkeep is as easy as wearing them. To wrap this up, if you're looking for performance, comfort, and style in one well-priced package, these men's long athletic shorts by urbciety are a no-brainer. They're made for movement but designed with everyday convenience in mind. Whether you're training hard or just chilling, they deliver the coverage, quality, and confidence you need. That's all for today's product critique. Make sure to hit that like button if this review helped you, and subscribe for more breakdowns of the best gear out there. Catch you in the next one.